Find or read reviews that people are talking about DIVElink Smart Watch and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Bluetooth call and notification. After connected with your smartphone, then you can make call and answer on your rise. Support raise to wake. Easy to keep in touch with friends and never miss the notification of your social network. DIVElink Smart Watch support WhatsApp, Facebook, X, Gmail, WeChat, and the most popular apps. You can also quick reply, note, Android only, keywords reply template, the message via your smartwatch. Round HD color screen and 100 plus DIY watch faces. DIVElink round smartwatch for Android, iOS fashion design for women and men. Amazon must-have smartwatch with HD color screen. Support 100 plus watch dials. You can choose and install on our watch app. Also, you can DIY your watch dial, set any photo you want as your watch face. AI Voice Assistant. This AI voice control smartwatch can help you work with your smartphone AI assistant. You can speak with this smartwatch to make call, check the weather, control music, set alarm, and others. Activity tracking. This sports smartwatch cover all daily exercise, can be real-time record calorie consumption, steps, distance, speed. You can set a reasonable exercise goal to provide you with more effective exercise guidance. 24/7 health monitor. This smart activity fitness tracker is equipped with a high-precision sensor for powerful monitor heart rate, blood oxygen saturation. Track your sleep, light sleep, deep sleep, record your sleep data and update every single day. Be your smart health aid. 100 plus sport modes and IP68 waterproof. The smart sport watches provide 100 plus sport modes. Perfectly meet your daily sport tracking, running, cycling, spinning, or practicing yoga, fitness courses. Help you to record your sport performance, support IP68 waterproof, just feel free to enjoy sports and don't need to worry sweat. Long battery life. This round smartwatch equipped with a high-capacity 300 mAh recharge battery, up to 6 to 7 days daily use. 25 to 30 days standby time. We provide a USB magnetic charging cable. You can charge the smartwatch with your phone charger, PC, power bank, or your car. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching video. Introduce the latest product YouTube channel. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.